can't believe it.
Oh my gosh, he has teeth or something in there.
All right, so we got up early this morning. It's like 7:45, I guess, and we're gonna fish this urban creek. I guess you could call it a drainage ditch, but it's between two busy city streets. But I've always wondered if there's any kind of fish in here. I'm going to try to target a bass and, perch and see how it goes. It looks like it'd be a nice place to fish. Alright, let's try it over here. I don't know if I've told you what I'm using today, but this is my new Akuma ultralight. It's 6'6". It's a trout rod. That's what the description said. It's made for like 2 to 6 pound line, and let me see if I can read 1 32 ounce and 3 ounce lures. So super lightweight, ultralight. And then I have the Viper 1000 reel, which I had that on my other ultralight before I accidentally broke it. And then today we're gonna start off with the mini crappie magnet. I've had some good luck with it. Like I said, I don't even know if there's anything in here, but it always has water, so therefore it has a pretty good chance of having something in here. Get this situated right. Get a little bit deeper. We've had some rain, so it's a little bit deeper than normal. I've never seen nobody fish here. I don't know if y'all can pick it up, but the water does have a nasty film on it, and that's probably run off from the road. But you'd be surprised where things can live. All I brought today was some lures, crappie magnets, a couple of like little small jigs that look like flies. But I sure do love those crappie magnets. They're real reasonably priced, pretty cheap. I think they're well made, and they do catch fish. I thought about bringing worms, and I was like, no, I just want something I can roam around and not have to carry too much stuff. And this Viper reel, man, it's so smooth, it casts so smooth. I think around $50, something like that, but it was well worth it. I think I'm using 4-pound test line. I'm seeing some minnows. First sign of life. I got a bunch of geese coming over. Hope that's picking it up. That's pretty neat. Things you see in urban areas, the wildlife you can see if you just look. I'm gonna try this mini magnet. Man, busy morning. I see some swirls. I don't know what it is. Alright, hopefully next time you see me, we're catching a fish.
1 hour later.
Alright, I love fall. This is probably the only bad thing about fall. All the leaves. But, let's see what we can do. There still has to be fish in here. Let's go down here, it looks a lot better. Alright, this is spot number 2. You probably remember this from another video. Last place did not work out so well. Water was kind of nasty, I thought. But like I said, you'd be surprised what lives in there. Not saying there wasn't no fish, I just couldn't catch any. Alright. Let's see what we can do in here. Tried a few different lures at the other spot. No luck. So I'm back to the mini crappie magnet. I always try to cast on the other side of the bank, and I'm getting a bite on my side of the bank. That's usually how it goes. Must be pretty little if it's not biting that hook. It is pretty. In an urban sort of way. Just look, you can always find some spots. Oh, come on. I know there's small ones in here, but this is ridiculous. They cannot get that hook. I can't go no smaller than that. Oh, got it. Come on. Oh my goodness, what happened there? I lassoed it. Here's the hook. Oh my goodness, what happened there? Well, that's the first. Let's see. Wash you off a little bit. Ooh, that water's cold. Alright, first little perch. Lassoed it. I don't know how that happened. That was the first. Hope I got that on video. Oh, I did. Good. Alright. Alright, we know there's fish in there. I don't know if they're biting, but the mini crappie magnet can lasso them. And the wind's starting to pick up. Got another one. Yeah, not bad. That was a little bit different. Alright. Thought about keeping them for bait, but it'd be their lucky day today. I just don't feel like it. I just want to catch them. I can always get bait. I got one. All right. hooks are sharp. Come on, I'll let you go. Alright. They're out there. It's just all about placement. Right place, right time, I guess. Oh, I got it that, well, yeah, I got it.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
See how little this sucker was. Hang on. Yeah, you got it in your mouth. Look at that. That's the good thing about mini magnets is you can catch those smaller ones. Wouldn't be much of a meal, but it'd be something. Or use it as bait. I got one. Oh my goodness. Cork never went under. Alright. Got another one. My goodness, they're just barely taking it. So weird. So weird. Yeah, they're just putting it in their mouth and not even taking off. It's so weird. Alright, one more cast and I gotta go. Ooh, that's a good cast. Oh my goodness. That was the best hit I've gotten all day. Or all morning, really. Ah. Come on. Right. Oh, another little one. Right, they're biting. Wish I had more time because I would like keep trying out that fishing kit. My goodness. Every time I throw over there I'm getting hit. Last cast for, for sure. I gotta give my wife breakfast or she's gonna be mad. I have to close off breakfast.